Greetings and salutations from Dr. J.P. Pizzino.
And Dr. Tom Ronan Goddard.
We are offering a 2-hour workshop with the Unity Holistic Wellness Center in Raleigh this coming Saturday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., November 5th, where we will be exploring different kinds of energy practices that you can do yourself so that you can feel good from the inside out.
Feeling good from the inside out starts with knowing who you are, and we'll be doing an embodied process that may surprise you, that is an exploration of your identity in the cosmos.
And then we'll also use some techniques that are easy to do for yourself at home to help you deal with any emotions or difficult feelings that might come up as you discover who you really are at your core.
I hope you can join us on Saturday, 10 a.m. at the Unity Church.
See you then.
Bye-bye.